this is you, and this is fine shit. Why aren't you guys together? Well, because you suck at math. But before you go away, because you think I'm speaking bullshit, stay with me, hear me out. Because you being terrible at math is also the reason why you are single. So here we are, the one who thinks I'm just not a math person, and me, your therapist. Let me tell you something very quickly. You don't suck at math. We just taught it badly. Math isn't about being fast or confident. It's about patterns and understanding. And today, I'm going to show you how to actually get good at math and why it has a correlation with your relationship problems. Without the stress, tears, your math teacher, or pretending to understand. So take a deep breath and let's start. So tip 1. Stop memorizing, start understanding. Most people think being good at math means memorizing formulas. But math isn't memory, it's logic. Every formula answers a question. Instead of asking, what's the formula? Ask, why does this work? For example, a formula is just a shortcut someone invented after noticing a pattern. So next time you see one, think to yourself, what problem is this solving? It's like a relationship. If you memorize what your partners say without understanding them, there's no way the relationship will last. Maybe that's why you're single, because you haven't understood that yet. Who said that? Tip 2. Write everything down. Your brain is not meant to hold math in your head. Like without addressing the elephant in the room, you can't easily solve the problem in a relationship or talking stage if you're unlucky. We are meant to see everything. So for math, write down every step, even the obvious ones, especially the obvious ones, because we all know you are the type of person to just write down the answer, then checks the answer and realize it's wrong. Your brain isn't meant to solve all of that inside your brain. Lower your ego, boy. You are not Einstein. Not yet. Good math students don't skip steps because they are smart, and good girls. Who said that? They skip steps after they understand them. Writing slows down your brain, and math loves a slow brain, almost like water and mud. When you stop mixing it, the mud falls to the bottom and the water becomes less cryptic. I'm feeling like Shakespeare today. Tip 3. Practice small, not hard, because all sizes matters. You don't need to study math for 3 hours. You need 15 to 30 minutes every day. Math is like brushing your teeth. A little often is better than a lot, but rarely. So one question, one concept, one example. Consistency beats intensity every single time. You have to make it to a habit. So like, imagine seeing your crush every day for 3 hours. Would you still be attracted as you are right now than if you would see him for 3 hours every single day? Of course not. You would get tired of him, because why is he suddenly everywhere and not in my soft launch? And that is why you also don't practice math for 3 hours. Who does that? Except your math teacher. Tip 4. Math is a language. So let's say you bagged an ABG somehow. She's a baddie, but she can't speak English. You don't want to lose her, so you translate everything she is saying. You're putting effort in, and now you actually understand what she is saying. Same with math. It is numbers, but with meanings. You need to translate it, just like with the ABG. Find X means what value makes this sentence true. An equation is just a sentence, written in symbols. So read it slowly and carefully, out loud if you have to. Once you understand what the question is asking, half the problem is already solved. And for the ABG, you translated what she said, and she was shit talking you and using you for money. So you stayed. No, I'm just joking. You left. Always leave. Always leave a horrible, bad situation. Never stay. Tip 5. Mistakes are part of the process. If you never get answers wrong, you're not learning. You're limiting yourself from becoming better at math. Mistakes show you where your understanding ends, and that's a good thing. Every wrong answer is a clue of what you need to work on in order to become your own version of Einstein. So don't erase mistakes angrily. Highlight them. Ask them questions. They are teaching you like a good girl. And as for the ABG, she did you dirty. Everything seemed perfect till you translated her words. That's when you realized that you didn't understand her at all. And as with math, you don't get frustrated. You highlight the mistake in the situation and think rationally. What am I supposed to do now after getting betrayed? Tip number 6. Teach it to someone else. The fastest way to learn math is to explain it to your friend, a sibling, your wall. Never your ex-ABG. If you can explain a concept simply, you understand math isn't all about intelligence, it's about exposure. The more you see it, the calmer it feels. Exposure therapy. And one day, without realizing it, it clicks. And when it does, you wonder why you ever doubted yourself. So remember, you don't suck at math. You just hadn't watched this video yet. Now go get your fine shot. So thank you so much for watching this video and staying till the end. I am so grateful for reaching 100 subscribers. I'm so grateful. To being honest, I didn't think I would make it to even 100, and now I think I hit 200 subscribers too. So thank you so much for that. And if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button to join the Educational ASMR OG family, because that is a really cool thing to be before I get viral, and you can't say that you're an OG anymore. That would be a huge loss, just like the APG. But the loss was you, not the APG. But anyways, I feel like these outros are my flipping Yap sessions, and I'm not sure if someone is here, but I don't know, it's just a fun